Hi everyone, Luke here from AppleOnlineAcademy with another quick tutorial where we will learn about hidden characters which you can type with your keyboard. You probably already know that you can type almost any special character or emoji by using the key combination Ctrl, Command and Spacebar, and then you will get this viewer here and you can browse through symbols and emojis here. Also, if you want to type accent marks or other character modifications, you can press and hold the key on your keyboard, like the A key, and it will give you various versions of that key, so you can easily type A with an accent mark. But maybe there are some characters that you use a lot and it's a bit annoying to bring up the emoji viewer every time you want to use them. For example, you need to type the copyright symbol, or you want to easily type the degree symbol. Or did you know that you can also type special things like the Apple logo with one click? Now let me tell you how to do it. I will not give you a long list of combinations. Instead, I will show you how to locate it on your own and choose what symbols you need the most. The first step is to go to System Preferences, Keyboard, and then under the keyboard go to Input Sources. Here select Show Keyboard and Emoji Viewers. Now you will see an icon appear on the upper right here in the menu bar. If you have more keyboards in this list, it will appear as a flag showing you the current keyboard selected. If you click on it and press Show Keyboard Viewer, it will open Virtual Keyboard, and as I type on my keyboard, it actually shows the keys being pressed. But what's better is that you can hold down a modifier key and then the keyboard will change and show you which characters you will get if you type a key. If I hold down the Shift key on the real keyboard, I will get here symbols like pound or $sign. Note that if you are using a different keyboard, you will also see different things here. Next, I can also hold the key on this virtual keyboard. For example, Option key gives me access to other symbols like the copyright one. Option G is the combination for copyright symbol. And of course you can use more combinations. Hold the Option key down and add Shift to it and you will get a bunch of different symbols. And now Shift Option 8 will make the degree symbol as I mentioned before. I also said before that different keyboards in different languages give you also different key combinations. If I switch to Czech keyboard here, you can also notice that some of these keys are orange. This means that you can use that key and then type a letter to combine it. So for example, here's an accent mark. If I press it, it will highlight me other letters which can be used with this letter. So check out your own keyboard and learn the shortcuts you use the most. Also, if you want to learn more about the most used shortcuts, let me offer you my new course, which is entirely free. I will leave you a link in the description if you want to learn how to quickly navigate inside your Mac using keyboard shortcuts. Anyway, this is Luke and I will see you in the next video.